Attention! Attention! Everybody up here, come on, hustle, hustle, hustle. I got something important to say. Come on, hustle. Shut up! Now, I just got a call from our biggest client. They run out of parts and they need them immediately. So everyone here is going to stay for an extra 3 hours so we can get the order out tonight. Now, the faster you get started, the faster it'll get done. Now, I'll be calling in about 3 hours and find out how everybody's doing. Now, get to work. I don't want to hear that anybody went home.
Do you like to spring things on your frontline workers at the last minute and wonder why they react negatively? I'm Greg Schinkel, President of Unique Training and Development and Frontline Leadership Systems, and I just want to talk today about the tendency for many production facilities to give their people so little notice about changes that it ends up causing irritation in the workgroup. Think about your own reaction when you find out about things at the last minute. It's irritating, isn't it? In a production environment, one thing is constant: change. Customers make changes, schedules change, and that means that you as a leader will need to announce changes to your team. The key is to give as much notice as possible to the people that are impacted by that change. Coming to your team 15 minutes before the end of their shift and surprising them with a request to stay an extra 4 hours isn't going to be well received. Letting them know an hour earlier would be better. 4 hours earlier would be awesome. In a similar way, asking your team to instantly give you input on problem solving or continuous improvement opportunities isn't as effective as when you give them a bit of time to think about what you've asked them. Giving your team more of a heads up and more time to think will improve your relationship with them. They won't see you as their enemy. They'll see you as their leader, being respectful of their time and them as a person. In addition to learning the value of giving people a heads up, you might decide you need to improve some of your other leadership skills. And of course, you can do that through our on-site workshops or our public workshops, or just simply access some of the resources on our website. Visit us at uniquedevelopment.com or join with other like-minded leaders in one of our social media communities.